Guys, this Punisher, I'm back. I'm going to drop a Subway Surfers, modded, all coins all day. I'm going to show you a video when I hit a certain amount of subscribers I need. See guys, here it is. And I have a special guest here.
Hey, what's up, man? Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to him. Make sure y'all subscribe to me. Rich Kid Lil J Space J.
Yes guys, here's the account. And I'll drop it right where I hit 10 subscribers. 10 or 15, it doesn't matter. And then,
So if y'all want to hack Subway Surfers, make sure y'all get him to that much subscribers.
this is Punisher the First. And I'm out.
Snitch niggas tell 'em what the ops you are out when we catch 'em, we gon' know we be told, but brothers in on my